So today we're gonna be having a look at Solana token right now. And in the weekly time frame, if we look at Solana, we're gonna start with the multi-year supply as well as the final demand zone, and all those demand zones will be discussed in further inside this video. If you guys haven't joined my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also join the official private Telegram. It is free of cost. You can just click on the join channel button in the link in the description of this video, and you can I will just manually approve each one of you to get inside the group. So let's just see the multi-year supply range. Okay, so if we see the multi-year supply range, this is why it's called the multi-year supply range, because in 2021 also, from the level of 207 to 238, Solana actually was from the top, and then we can clearly see that this time also Solana actually went towards this supply zone, and this is a good supply zone. Why? Because it actually acted as a supply, because whenever Solana came down and we can form a golden pocket level, this was the level, and this was a 0.786 level. That's why Solana rejected from here. If we look at Solana, we have two zones. This is the multi-year supply, this is the multi-year final demand zone. This is the 110 to 123 level, and the final level would be 96 because of this wick. But we would just treat 110 to 123 as our demand zone. Why? Because in the weekly time frame as well as in the daily time frame, this has acted as a good support. Okay, so we can clearly see that here also in April to October 2024, here also you can clearly see in the March 2025, we can clearly see that this has acted as good support. Okay, so if it has acted as good support, this should give a bounce towards this 200 and level, or 240 or 210 levels. Okay, so what I expect from this token for the current or the daily or the 4-hour time frame is that there should be a golden pocket bounce over here. Why? Let's just go into the 4-hour time frame. If we go over towards the 4-hour time frame, we would clearly see that I mentioned in the previous, as well as some of the previous videos, I mentioned clearly that this is a golden pocket zone. This golden pocket zone would be 156 to 151 level, and that is where exactly Solana pumped right now. So what kind of scenarios and what kind of trades are actually being planned? If you guys haven't joined our Telegram, make sure you join the Telegram, because all the trades will be given there. So if I have to plan some kind of long, I would place my stop loss below this level, which is 10%, and I would target my minimum level to be, I think, $201. This would give me a 2:1 risk to reward trade, and that is why I would rather be bullish there. Okay, so if I'm not bullish there, I would just expect some kind of 0.5 retracement around $180 to $185, and then I would short the token towards the next level, which is the 123 zone, and this could also be happening sooner or later, guys. Okay, so this is one of my analysis. One more thing that I'm looking at, let me just explain by Fibonacci levels. This is the level that I'm looking at. If Solana has to come up, it should go up till 176 to 180s zone, and then I would be clearly shorting this level from here, like putting a stop and then targeting the 123 zone. This would give me a 2:1 risk to reward trade also, and this would be a good level to target. Okay, so that is what I expect from Solana. Why? Because the trend is now negative. You can clearly see that the high was formed, lower high is formed, and lower high is formed. Lower highs are forming in Solana. That's why I'm being negative in Solana. I don't expect much in this token, so I'd rather short, wait for this setup to play out, and I would rather short at 174 to 186 something level, and with I would put a stop loss above 205 to $201. Okay, so that is what my analysis says for Solana. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you join the Telegram channel given in the link will be given in the description of this video.